This is question number 19. F of x is equal to kx squared. G of x is 1 over x and h of x is 7x negative 2 over 5. J of x is 3 negative 10x divided by 14. Now question A is asking us to find f of negative 5k being given to be as 675. You have to get the value of k. So let me start with that and move on. So we have f of negative 5k as 675. We have f of x is equal to k times x squared. So this means you substitute in place of x negative 5k. So k times negative 5k the whole squared is equal to 675. So 25k squared, there is already a k there, is equal to 675. Now this means 25k cubed is equal to 675. This means k cubed is equal to 675 divided by 25. 25 will divide 675 how many times? 2 times 25 is 50. So you have a 7, you have a 1 and a 5. 3 times no, 5 times, 9 times no, 8 times no, 8 times no, 7 times. Let's check 7 times. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 is are 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so you have 27. So k cubed is equal to 27. I can write 27 as 3 cubed, and this means k is equal to 3. Okay, so that's the solution for this question. Now we are asked to, this is the second part, find gh of x. Now we have g of x to be as 1 over x, h of x to be equal to 7x negative 2 over 5. So therefore gh of x is equal to g of h of x, which is equal to g of h of x is 7x negative 2 divided by 5. So in place of x you substitute this, is going to be 1 over 7x negative 2 divided by 5, which means 5 over 7x negative 2. So therefore gh of x is equal to 5 over 7x negative 2. So that's the solution. Now the next question is, we are asked to find h inverse of x plus j of x. Now given h of x is 7x negative 2 divided by 5. So I can rewrite this as y is equal to 7x negative 2 divided by 5. So I will replace x by y and y by x and rewrite the system. The system for y. Okay, so what happens here? Y is equal to 7x negative 2 divided by 5. So this is going to be x is equal to 7y negative 2 divided by 5. Rewrite it for y. So this means I have 5x is equal to 7y negative 2. So 5x positive 2 is equal to 7y. Therefore y is equal to 5x positive 2 divided by 7. This is nothing but my h inverse of x is equal to 5x positive 2 divided by 7. Now j of x, so also we know j of x is actually 3 negative 10x divided by 14. So therefore h inverse of x plus j of x is equal to 5x positive 2 divided by 7 positive 3 negative 10x divided by 14, which is equal to, LCM is 14, you multiply by 2 because 7 divides 14 2 times, so 2 times of 5x positive 2 positive 3 negative 10x, which is equal to 10x positive 4 positive 3 negative 10x. Negative 10x positive 10x gets cancelled. giving you 14, so you have 7 over 14. 7 divides 14 two times, which is equal to 1 over 2. So therefore h inverse of x plus j of x is equal to 1 over 2. That is the solution for this question.